Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to show all products on one page on Shopify. This is a super useful feature if you want to give your customers the ability to browse your entire inventory in one place, making shopping more convenient and improving their overall experience on your store. First, head over to shopify.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard where you can manage everything related to your store. Now look over to the left side of your screen and click on Products. This will expand a drop-down menu with several options. From there, click on Collections. Collections are essentially groups of products that you can organize however you like, and we're going to create one that holds all your products together. Next, on the upper right corner of the screen, click Add Collection. This opens up the page where you can set up your new collection from scratch. Now, give your collection a name. You can call it something straightforward like All Products, so visitors immediately understand what they'll find there. This name will appear on your storefront, so make it clear and simple. After naming it, scroll down until you find the Products section. Here you'll see an option to browse. Click on Browse to open your product library. This is where you'll select which items to include in this collection. Now here's the key step. Select all of your products from the list. You can do this by checking the boxes next to each item, or if there's a Select All option, use that to save time. Once everything is selected, click Add. This will add all your chosen products to the collection. After that, click the Save button at the top of the page to make sure all your changes are stored. Give it a moment to save everything properly. Next, on the left side of your dashboard, click on Content, then underneath it, click on Menus. This section controls the navigation structure of your store, which is how customers browse different pages. In the Menus section, click on Main Menu. This is typically the primary navigation bar that appears at the top of your store. Once you're in, click Add Menu Item to create a new link. Now, in the Label field, type something like All Products. This is what your customers will see on the menu. Then, in the Link field, click the drop-down and select Collection. From the options that appear, choose the collection we just created. After that, click the check icon to confirm the menu item, and then click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This ensures your new menu item is published and visible on your store. Finally, it's time to preview your work. Click the eye icon beside Online Store. This will open your live storefront in a new tab so you can see exactly how the All Products page looks to your customers. Check that the link works and all your products are displaying correctly. And that's it. You've successfully created a page that displays all your products in one convenient location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.